Hi everyone. It's Mrs. Poulin back for your Wednesday math lesson, Wednesday, May 6th. I hope everyone had a good Cinco de Mayo. I I did not get a chance to have my chicken fajitas for dinner because I think I mentioned this yesterday in the video because my husband put all the chicken in the freezer and didn't tell me, so I had to have something else. So I'm gonna have Cinco de Mayo on May 6th. But anyways, I hope you had a good Cinco de Mayo. I'm gonna give a shout out to Gabby for the lovely picture she drew for me and sent, and Javier. I got those last night, and Layla did a spectacular one too on the computer. I saw those today. Nayeli with her video, Orlando in the video yesterday. So thank you for all of those. I got a wonderful video from Mateo. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm not forgetting anybody. Usually it'll pop in my mind after I finished, and then I'll have to give you the shout out tomorrow. But anyway, let's see. So I'm going to give a shout out to people who came to my video conference today. I had Leo and Javier, and I had Daniel and Bella and Layla and Marley and Paola and oh my gosh, who am I forgetting? I said I had an odd number of people. Nayeli. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, did I kid everybody? Oh, now I'm going to feel bad if I didn't. But I still love you. Okay, so we are going to do another math lesson with the metric system. All right. And the last couple of days we've been talking about capacity, which is how much liquid fits in a container. This time we are going to be talking about the weight of an object. And when we are talking about the weight of an object, we're talking about the mass. All right, not the mass like you go to church mass, but mass in science and math where you're measuring like the weight of something. Okay, so it's the amount of matter or material in an object. So to measure the mass of something, we are going to use kilograms. All right here is that word, and you can see how it's abbreviated with a lowercase k and g. That's the abbreviation for kilogram. Now, 1 kilogram equals about 2 pounds, so it's not very heavy. And they gave you some examples of what could equal a kilogram, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And these rolls of pennies, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rolls of pennies, and there are 400 pennies altogether. That's about 1 kilogram. Or a baseball bat is about 1 kilogram, or a dictionary is about 1 kilogram. All right, look, I brought my own dictionary. Doesn't it look like the one in the picture? It says dictionary on the side in the book. Mine says Webster because Webster wrote the dictionary. Haha. So if I pick up this book, this weighs about 2 pounds or 1 kilogram. Okay, so for heavier things, we want to use the larger measurements. All right, remember I said when we're measuring capacity, we wanted to use the bigger tool to get our work done faster. Like we wanted to fill up a bucket of water, we wouldn't use the eyedropper, which was the smaller one. We would use the water bottle because it's bigger and holds more, and we're going to get our work done. All right, so a kilogram equals about 2 pounds, a little bit more than 2 pounds. We use this abbreviation kg to abbreviate for it. Oh, I made my uppercase. But I want to see the labels throughout this lesson so I know what you're going to be using. And so let's turn the page. Oh, by the way, this is on page 645 in your math book. So I'm going to turn the page. And we're going to talk about a smaller unit besides just the kilogram. We're going to talk about gram. Kilograms, grams go together because we're measuring the mass of something. And so how big is a gram? You're asking me. Well, where's my other one? I have a paper clip. This is a paper clip, is about a gram. So you guys know, you've had my paper clips on my desk, and a gram is not very heavy at all. It's very lightweight. And so you can see they gave you an example of a paper clip or a base 10 cubes. I think we've used these in class before. So a gram is a lightweight object. All right, we're measuring the weight of it, how much mass it has, and it's much lighter than a kilogram because obviously this dictionary is a lot heavier than a paper clip. All right, so let's go over to my piece of paper here, and I hope I'm not making anybody dizzy. Oh, I've got Orlando's mom texting me his work. Yay! So I have an abbreviation for grams, and it is a lowercase g. All right, so you are going to use a lowercase g to show me grams. Grams weigh less than kilograms. All right, so that's about it. We're going to do page 647. We're talking about the weight or the mass of the object. Kilograms weigh more than grams. And then you can decide. They gave you all kinds of cute pictures. This watermelon. Circle the mass. Do you think it weighs 5 paper clips? Or is it more like 5 dictionaries? Okay. Same thing with the brush. What is going to be the better estimate for each object? All right. So let's look at number 1 down here. It says, what characteristics were shared by the objects that you chose to measure? Well, we're not going to do that one, I don't think, but they're talking about characteristics. It's how you describe something. It's how do you describe the object? So I think this one's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right. So grams and kilograms. Kilograms are more like pounds. Grams are more like ounces. They weigh less. So that's all you need to know. So let me go back. I want to make sure for my WebEx meeting today, I had my 3 boys, Leo, Daniel, Javier, and then I had my girls. I had Bella, Layla, Marley, Nayeli, Bella, Marley, Nayeli, Layla. I think that's it. Okay, if I forgot you, don't be mad. You just let me know in the comments and I'll give you another shout out tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to have another video for Thursday. So hope you are well doing your work. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh, that's the page from before. And that is it. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.